Hi friends, it's Miss Jenifer at Somerset Academy of Music, and I'm excited because we are back yet again for our technique exercises. We are in Book 1, Group 2, Exercise 3. Before we get started, I'd just like to thank you for watching the video. If you find it at all helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. And you can always are free to share my videos with your friends and family. All right, exercise 3 is going to be in the same position as last week's exercise 2. If you haven't done exercise 1 and 2, you should go back. I strongly encourage you to go back, learn exercise 1 and 2 first, master those, and then come back and add exercise 3. The way these exercises are supposed to be done is that the reason why they're called a dozen a day is we're building up to 12 exercises that you're practicing every day. And oh my goodness, if you can hang in there and do that, the results you will see will be fantastic. Okay, so exercise 3 is going to be in the same hand position as last week's exercise 2, what we call C position. This week we're going to be doing 16th notes. Now we remember that quarter notes get 1 beat. 8th notes get a half a beat, 16th notes get a fourth of a beat, and therefore we're going to count them 1 E and A, which is going to divide the beat into 4 parts. 1 E and A. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate the right hand first, and then we'll put hands together because the hands are again playing in unison. It looks like this with the right hand. C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D. Now we come to quarter notes. C, E. Back to the 16th notes. C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C for a half note. Okay, so now I'm going to do it a little bit slower with hands together, and I'm going to count the 16th notes. Okay, like this. 1 E and A, 2 E and A, 3 E and A, 4 E and A, 1 E and A, 2 E and A, 3 E and A, 4 E and A, 1 E and A, 2 E and A, 3 E and A, 4 E and A, 1 E and A, 2 E and A, 3 E and A, 4 E and A. When you are just beginning, I would definitely encourage you to count all of those subdivisions, even on the quarter notes and the half notes, because that's going to help you get just more used to feeling those subdivisions. And then later on, you can leave them out when you're counting. Okay, so now I'm going to do it a little bit faster, and I'm going to do it the first time through legato and then repeat it staccato, as that is how the exercise is supposed to be done. So this is, after you learn the exercise, this is how you should be practicing it. Okay, I am going to just play it through without counting or saying anything. So here's what it looks like. First time through legato, repeat staccato. Here we go, exercise 3. There we go. Thank you so much. Goodness, if you can get that exercise up to that speed or even faster, won't you be proud of yourself? I know that you will. Please let me know down in the comments if you are able to master that exercise, because that will really be a sign that you are progressing and doing amazing in your piano, and that will make me so excited to hear about that. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Again, if you found it helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel, and I will look forward to seeing you in the next video real soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.